So sugar. What we can say about sugar? I think just few things. That it's very tasty and in the same time it is not healthy. But in the same time we have another super tasty and healthy product called honey. So honey, as you know, is a super healthy substance. I can say just few things about it. Instead of sugar, we can use honey, and it will be much better for the health, for the blood, for the brain. And in yogic science, we know that especially if you have children, you need to eat honey, a lot of honey. It is a different story if your children have allergy, or if you have some problems with honey and your doctor said that you should not eat it. But if you don't have any problems with the honey, honey should beat sugar, and you should eat honey. I know that some people think that honey is not as tasty as sugar, but I can say that you just need to find your honey, because there are so many types of honey. This is flowers honey. So there are many types of honey, and there are black ones, there are white ones, there are yellow ones, orange ones. And I think if you will check many different types of honey, you can find some honey that will be really tasty for you, and it is much better than sugar in terms of how it's affect our body. In yoga, we know a few substances that can save any kind of body. Any kind of body means even a body of rock. Even rock we can save for a longer period if you will use three substances. First is water. Next one, more effective, is milk. Next one is honey. And next one is ghee oil. So honey has second place. So I think this is very important that we should eat honey on a daily basis. I definitely do it. Only because of this I can share this experience with you. And in the same time, I also can say that for the children, honey has a special effect for the brains. So especially for the children, it will be much more beneficial. So if you have children, you please share with them at least 1 or 2 spoons of honey every day. Or maybe as I do, I eat 1 or 2 spoons of honey every few days. So it should become a part of your daily life, daily diet. So how to eat honey? If you want, you can just drink honey or eat few spoons of honey, or you can create a beverage with honey, and it will be super beneficial if you create some warm beverage, not hot, warm beverage with few spoons of honey and little bit of lemon juice. It increases immune system cells in the body, so you will have much more protection from the microorganisms. So once again, honey. It is super healthy, it is super beneficial, it is super natural, and it doesn't cost too much. So everybody can use it in our daily life. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video with everybody, and I hope if you don't have any kind of problems with the honey, you can check it with your doctor. So if you don't have any problems, please add honey in your daily diet. Namaskar.